everyone, my name is Melissa. Now we are going to be testing out the new Urban Decay Big Bush Brow Let's Get Hairy brow products. So I have actually opened these because I've just filmed a little PR unboxing, but this is the package it's come in, and then we've got the products inside, and I thought we could test them out because I do love a fluffy brow. So these are the 3 products that we're going to be testing out. So I really love this collection, and I think I'm going to really love it because I absolutely love a fluffy brow. As you can see, I at the moment use the e.l.f. brow lift glue that you just put in with a spoolie, and then I use a Revolution brow pen to draw on the lines. So this is what that is. This is called the Brow Blade, and you've got the pen, which I'm just saying about, that I use every day, and then you've got the pencil here, which looks really good, and this is in dark brown because obviously I've got very dark hair. And then we have got the Slick Day Brow, which is the clear transparent gel. And then we have got the tinted brow gel. So personally, I will most probably use these 2 the most, but it's always good to have a clear brow gel as well. So let's just go ahead and take off any of my brow that I have on today, because I really want to try this out. Difference of my brows, they look so different. Okay, so I do have a bit of the brow lift in there, but I've tried to get most of it out. I'm going to try the tinted brow gel, and I'm just going to try and apply it as I would my normal brow gel. Okay, so this is going on really nice. It kind of reminds me of the NYX brow gel, so I'm just going to like push them all up as I normally would with my brow products. What I like about this so far is with the NYX tinted brow, what's it called? Tinted brow, I can't remember what it's called. The NYX one, I find that I get too much product around the brows, whereas this one, it's not massively coated in it, it's just a really good amount. So that is kind of what I would do with them to get them up. And then we're gonna just take one of these spoolies and just shape them a bit. Oh, I like that, considering I've got it up there. Let's just get that off a sec. I really like that. That looks really good. I feel like it looks better than the one that I've been using. So yeah, I really like that one. So what I would usually do is, what I like to do is use a pen to draw in the brow lines, and I'm just gonna try that out, and this is what I would usually do to draw in the brow hairs. I like this. This is going to be my everyday product. I can see it now. You have to be kind of really light-handed, otherwise it would just be, I'm sorry, but that's perfect. That is the perfect brow for me. That's exactly what I wanted. I really like this. So that is the pen. I don't even think I'm going to bother with this because that's like the way I do my brows. I like to use a tinted gel and then draw the rest in with this. So let's go ahead and do the other brow. Do you know, it really just goes on really nice. And like I said, it doesn't like create too much of a mess, but you can easily go around and just get rid of them little bits. But I really like this. This is really nice, and you can kind of move around with it. It's not like completely gelled down straight away, but we'll see what it's like with the clear transparent gel in a minute. So I'm just going to get rid of that mess up there, and then just try and shape them a bit, and then use the pen. This is definitely my favourite out of everything. This is my favourite. Bushy brows. Bushy brows. I think I love it. the perfect thing for me right now. How did you know, Urban Decay? Right, let's try the clear brow gel. This is supposed to keep it in place. So this is the Slick Day Brow, and this is what the wand looks like for that. So we're supposed to just pop that in, and that is supposed to keep everything in place. I love the fact that it's not moved any of the product. What do we think? I actually think that is the best combo for my brows. This is just exactly what I needed right now with a bushy brow lover. So, overall thoughts, I'm really impressed with this collection. This is great if you do want them bushy brows, but if you don't, you could just use the pencil, and then you could use the clear brow gel if you wanted, or you could just use the clear brow gel on a day that you don't want to do your brows. But for me, I think I could actually use all three of these, and I really love how my brows have turned out. I love this collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link all three of these products down below for you. Subscribe if you are new, it'd mean so much to me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.